Sister Shark is here. Hey awesome artists! Today we are diving deep into the ocean to meet a brand new member of the shark family, Sister Shark. She just joined the family and she's ready for some colorful adventures. Grab your pencils and let's bring her to life. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's draw the cute little baby shark. We draw his eyes with a circle. And then add his nose with a smaller circle. Then his body and his tail. Don't forget to draw his back fin too. It looks like a triangle. Kids, shark family is getting bigger. Let's meet Sister Shark. Hello, Sister Shark. Welcome. Sister Shark is here. Let's make Sister Shark the coolest, most colorful shark ever. Now let's draw her tail. And a very cute smile with her lips. Wonderful! Don't forget to draw her back fin too. Now let's draw Daddy Shark, our brave and tough Daddy Shark. Now that we draw his eyes, nose, body and tail, let's draw his mouth and those sharp teeth. Now let's draw our sweet mommy shark. Let's start with her eyes. We use a circle for her eyes. We draw her eyelashes too. And her little nose. Now let's draw her body. We use curvy lines. Wow, this is getting exciting. Let's bring this picture to life. Now that our shark family is ready to go, let's add some details. Let's draw the background, so fun! First, we're gonna draw some rocks. Underwater rocks. We use tough lines. No curvy lines, just some straight lines. And then I'm going to draw some underwater plants, like seaweeds. Our drawing is going to be so beautiful. You can use your own creativity to add more. You can draw more fish or a treasure chest. Would you like to draw some shells? Never give up, my friends. This is looking fantastic. I can't wait to see the final picture. Let's draw more seaweeds. Now let's make our lines darker and color the eyes black. It's coloring time! Grab your pencil colors and start coloring. First, we're gonna color cool baby shark yellow. Yes, yellow. Can you find more yellow around you? I can see a banana. Banana is yellow too. Now, let's color sister shark, our beautiful sister shark. Let's color her red. Can you tell me what color is the daddy shark? Of course you know. Daddy shark is blue, like the color of the sky. I'm using a dark blue for daddy shark. Look at our drawing. We have yellow, red, and blue. I'm so proud of you. You know the colors. Let's color inside of Daddy Shark's mouth red. Here we go. Next, let's color Mommy Shark, our sweet, caring Mommy Shark. And she's going to be pink. Kids, did you know that you are turning a blank page into something wonderful? That's amazing! Now, let's color the ocean. First, we're gonna color the rocks brown. Kids, for the underwater rocks, we can use different shades of brown. Light brown and dark brown. Now let's color the underwater plants or the seaweeds. You can use your dark green or light green. Art is all about having fun. Enjoy the process. Now let's color our bubbles blue. Wonderful blue. And finally, let's add some shadows. Ta-da! Amazing job! See you on the next video. Bye!